For question number 3, it says, what are the solutions of this quadratic equation? And you might not be able to see it in the back, so I'm going to write a little bigger here. So I have 4x squared minus 8x minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay? And what I notice as I'm writing this out, 4 goes into every one of these terms. So I can factor out a 4, and that leaves me with x squared minus 2x minus 3. One thing you want to do, though, is double check. Just think in your head, if I multiply and push this through and distribute it back through, I should get the top line, which I do. So then now from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide both sides by 4, and I get x squared minus 2x minus 3 still equals 0, because 0 divided by 4 is 0. Now, if I want to solve this, I take the first and last term and put them in my box. I know that the first term we get by multiplying x times x. And then the last term is a prime number, negative 3. But here's the thing I need to consider. These two numbers, when I multiply them out and then add them up, have to equal negative 2. So I have a 3 and a 1, because that's the only two numbers I can multiply to get 3. But one of them has to be negative. I think it's going to be the negative 3, because if I multiply negative 3 times the x here, I get negative 3x. And when I multiply 1 by this x here, I get positive x. When I add those together, negative 3x plus positive 1x leaves me with negative 2x. So then this is equal to x plus 1 times x minus 3, and we set that equal to 0. Now the only way I can guarantee that I get 0 is I think that this has to equal 0 times 0 equals 0. In other words, I'm going to say that x plus 1 is equal to 0 and x minus 3 is equal to 0. So then my solution would be x is equal to negative 1 and x is equal to positive 3.